Hello, this was shared with me so I can share it with you. And this is a rustic cowboy, Western themed cowboy hat rack. So it does require assembly. I'm going to get that set up here for you. We will assemble it and you'll be good to go. So here you can see this is what the rack actually looks like. That is what you will put against the wall. And then the part that holds the hat, do a little unboxing for you here. There are instructions. And then here is the part that holds the hat. So this is going to go hang from the side, and then you'll put your hat in there, and you can put your Western hat upside down, hang it on there, and that'll keep it nice and help it keep its shape. So this includes 3 different hat racks. So we have 3 racks like this, and then we also have 3 of the horseshoe mounts that are going to go with the hat rack. So I'm going to just get one of these assembled here a while for you. So this is what it's going to look like coming out from the wall. And then it's just going to sit right onto this. So you see there, you're going to be able to put those are going to meet up with that. And you're just going to have 1 screw or 2 screws in there. They're going to meet up. Then this is going to go in against the wall. And it's just going to look like that. And then your hat is going to sit right in here like this. So let's get this started. So the other thing is, if you don't want the little icon, you can literally just put it up like this and just put that right against your wall to hang up your hat. So maybe you have a shelf you want to put this under and it's, you know, this is too big, or you just don't like this design, you can just put this right into your wall to hold your hat as well. And here is an example of how the hat would sit. Just going to sit right in there like that. And that helps it to keep its form. It's not going to get squished or anything. And because it's upside down, it's going to keep the top from accumulating dust as well. So, handy way to hang your hat.
We have this guy, and I put 2 little screws in. They come in the package like this. And they just screw in like that to hold itself on. And I'm going to use these top 2 screw holes to hold it in, and I just mark those out. And it does come with some drywall anchors. They do come with drywall anchors, so I'm drilling out. That is a stud, so I don't need a drywall anchor there. Very nice. All right, so we'll go ahead and pull out one of these drywall. I've got these drywall anchors, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one in here like that, nice and sturdy in there. And like I said, the other one has a stud, so I don't have to worry about putting a drywall anchor in for that. And these are plenty long enough that I should be able to hit the stud. Yep, just hitting it straight off. So I'll go ahead and grab one of the supplied screws and go ahead and put it into the drywall anchor and go ahead and put it into the hole. So there you go. Hat rack is up. All right, so you have your nice little cowboy hat, and it just rests onto the little arms and just holds it nice and steady, and you have a cowboy hat rack like that.